Hello everyone. In this video I show you how to make a pie chart for the gender variable. So gender variable is a category variable. It has two categories of male and female. I drag and drop it over sheets. Maybe one of the things that I can look at that is frequency of male and females. What can I do? I look at our number of records, drag and drop it on this part. So now I can see how many are male and how many are females. For me to convert it to the pie chart, I go over show me. Let me just click on it and select pie chart. Okay, so I see the portion of pie chart as male and females, but I don't see the associated numerical values. What can I do? Again, I go to number of records, drag and drop over the little t here, which means labels. Now I have frequency of male and females in my data. I go over right hand down part of the pie chart, select and drag it to make my pie chart a little larger. Then over the labels as number of records, let me just show it to you. So I right click, select format. In the font side, I change it to 12 and bold. Now I see frequency of male and female customers. Maybe I can convert it to percentage. I go over a number of records as a sum, right click. Then I go to quick table calculations and I select percent of total. Now I can see how many basically I can see distribution of male and females. Let's just convert this numerical value to something more readable. Over under format pane, I select numbers and go percentage and reduce the decimals. Format. Yes. Now as you see, I have a better visualization here. Okay, let's change them. The part of pie chart that related to male and female. Let me click on show me to minimize it. Okay, now I click on female, sorry, I change it to pink. Okay, for the male part, again, I click and change it to blue. Okay, that's it, and see you in the next video.